Hello everyone and welcome to this month's update for 50 Shades of Purple. And yes, my hair is blonde. I am in the process of getting my roots touched up and I figured I might as well remove the color I have and get ready for a new color. But I also thought I'd enjoy being blonde for a while, so my hair is a little frizzy because it's just got processed. And it needs a little conditioning, but I'm working on it. Anyway, let's get into this month's update. Enough about my hair. I thought I'd just mention it because I figured you'd notice. So this is a project that is in collaboration with the Fantastic Ladies collab group on Facebook. This theme was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece, and it is a year-long project. It started on April 15th of 2021, and it goes until April 15th of 2022 this year. So we only have one more month after this. This is last month, okay? I joined late. I joined in November. So that gave me like 6 months. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and go through everything I've brought into the project in the order that I brought them in and what's left in the project. Anyway, excuse me, I will tell you where I am and what has rolled out. Anyway, let's just get into it. First thing left in the project I did not grab are my tea light candles. I believe I have 4, maybe 5 more. I'm looking to see if I can see them from here. I can't. But I'm still working on the tea light candles. I may have used 2 or 3 this month. I'm looking because I have the empty cups back here, but I don't remember if these are all from this month or if some are from last month. My Dr. Teal's body scrub I did not use this month, so there's no progress change on that. My lavender essential oil I do have here, and it is down to that red line right there. We brought it into the project. It was at the top of the label, so we've done pretty good. My goal was to use this up, and I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm definitely getting some use out of it, so it is going to stay in the project. My body wash from, I don't know, yoga, spa, I don't know, something. My body wash did not get used this month. I've been doing a lot of dog sitting, and therefore most of my bathing has been happening away from home, so my at-home toiletries are not getting used because they're not travel friendly. Let's see, Violet Vixen nail polish I had in for 2 uses. I didn't grab it. I could, but I didn't grab it. I had it in for 2 uses, and I used it for the 2nd time this month, so that product is rolling out. Got a lot of rollouts, mostly goal uses, so bear in mind. Bear with me. Alright, next up, in order that I brought it in, is my Trendy in Tokyo. And the first shade I brought in was Tokyo Station, which is this dark purple here. My goal was to use it 5 times, and this month I did complete and use that for 5 times. I also brought in, while I have it up, I might as well go ahead, the shade above that, Roppongi, I believe is how it's said. I brought that in for 5 uses. I have used it 3 times, so that has 2 more uses to go. I do have that on my eyelid, sort of the inner corner to the middle of my eye. It is a lovely lighter pink purple metallic. My Corpse Bride palette came next, and the first shade to come in from that is Breathless. And Breathless is this purpley blue shade right here. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I have completed that, met that goal, and used that 5 times. Got some eyeshadow on my finger. The next one from that palette is the shade Different, which is this dark purple here in the top row. My goal for that is to use it 5 times, and I have completed those usage goals for Different as well. Next up, there's plenty of purple in this palette. Next was for the shade Dreams, and that is this light purple lavender shade here. my goal again, 5 uses. I have used it 4 times this month, including today. It is on the inner corner of my eyes, and no, wait, take that back. It was in the transitions shade and setting shade. Some of the colors got a little carried away with me this month, so this look went big. But yes, it was on my shade and transition shade. My setting, anyway, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. And then the last shade from this palette, I believe, yes, is this shade here, another dark purple, a little more on the blue side than different, and this is on my outer corner today, and this is the shade Beautiful right there, and it is a beautiful shade. I don't know if you want to see swatches of all these shades, but I can no, we're not going to. There's too many shades. But yes, I'm wearing most of them. Alright, and then my Manic Panic shampoo and conditioner in the travel size. I finished them. They're done. This is the shampoo. It's got like the smidgenest little bit of residue left, and then this is the conditioner bottle, which actually has a different conditioner in it now. Because these are my travel size bottles, and I like these bottles. They're nice and soft but sturdy. So these two were both completed, and they are rolling out of the project as well. I don't know how many rollouts I have this month for goals completed, but I have a lot. So next up is the Galaxy Chic, and for that I had the shade Milky Way, which... Did I complete that last month? Maybe I did. Maybe it was this month. But I'll go ahead and talk about it anyway because I didn't cross it off. Milky Way is this one right here. It's sort of a marbled shade. It is a pinky purple lavender. And then I also brought in the shade right next to it, Cosmic, which is just a metallic lavender. And Milky Way I used my 5 times. And then Cosmic I have used 3 times. It is on the inner corner, in the middle of the lid, and on my brow bone highlight. It is a very lovely pink, purple, lavender, metallic, and yeah, it was really nice. I've used it, 3 times? Yes, I forgot to mark today's use. And that is continuing on. I didn't mark this beforehand. 1 second. Okay, my next item is my Acure Radically Rejuvenating Overnight Moisturizer Bakuchiol Treatment. I haven't had to say that in a while. And that I brought in to finish, and we are right down there at that bottom line. Brought it into the project. It was up here. As you can see, we've got down here. It looks like slower progress, but this is the thicker part of the package, and there is still a lot of air in there. But I just shined a light through there, and that's where we are. So this should be done by the next update for the end of the project. Yay! Glitter Nail Wraps by Espionage Cosmetics. I had 1 out of 2 uses. I did not use them this month, so they are staying in the project. My Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 hair conditioning oil. I had in the project for 10 uses, and today I used it for the 10th time. So that is rolling out. Exciting, another rollout. I didn't bring these over, but my Polish Amethyst I have for 2 uses. I've used it once. Polish Do You Lilac It I have for 2 uses. I've used it once. Wet n Wild's Polish 417E, 2 uses. I've used it once. The e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara, this big guy right here, I had it in for 20 uses, and I have used it 20 times. Today actually would have been 22 or 21 times. My lip cream in 100 I am wearing today. I didn't grab it because there's no progress to see because you can't see through the package, but it is I had it in for 10 uses, and today makes the 7th use. So I've used it 4 times in the last month, and I have 3 more uses to go. I should have that finished by the next update. It is sort of a pinky purple. looks more pink compared to my eyes, but my eyes are very cool purple, so my last eyeshadow is the City Mini palette, and let me pop this open, and it is this purple shade. I know it's very dark, but it's a blackened purple shade right here, and it is, I have it in for 5 uses, and today I used it to darken up the very outer corner of my eyes and along my bottom lash line, and that was my 5th use, so that is rolling out of the project as well. Whew! Alright, lots of rollouts. I'm so excited. Okay, next up is my LA Girl Metallic Liner in Sequins, and is this guy right here. I do have it on my bottom waterline and a little bit along my bottom lash line. My goal is to use it 10 times. I have used it 9, counting today. So 1 more use and that is finished. Alright, a lot of eyeshadows. Let me skip through these, see what's next. My Sapphire for September palette, I brought in the shade Sapphire for 5 uses. I have not used it at all, so no progress to show on that. My Beautiful as Blades nail wraps from Espionage Cosmetics, have them in for 2 uses, did not use them, no progress. Another item, I'm terrible at remembering to mark things, but let me mark this really quick because I can see through it. Alright, my serum, the Superfruit Extract Serum from Revolution Cosmetics, or Revolution Makeup, or whatever it is called, skincare. Revolution Skincare, I have this in to use it up. I brought it into the project. It was here, and now we are down to here. It is a lovely serum that actually has not only is the packaging iridescent, but actually the serum has iridescence to it as well. And I use that mainly in the morning as part of my morning routine because I have a different serum I use in the evening, and that is rolling along nicely. Let's see, nail wraps, serum, Medusa's Makeup, Envy eyeshadow, 5 uses, have not touched it, so a lot of things didn't get used as well. My Thrive lip liner in Gisland, I have it in for 10 uses. I remembered to use it once. So I have 9 uses to go in the next month. Do I think that's going to happen? Probably not. It is my only lip liner, and I am not in the habit of wearing lip liner, so I keep forgetting to use it. And then lastly, my NYX eyeliner in Purple Blaze. I am waiting to use that until I'm done with my uses on this. So it has 5 uses. I have not used it. Whew, that's a lot of things rolling out. Let me see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items rolling out. Don't ask me how many are left. I will tell you next month, but I haven't made that calculation. But that is only 40 products that I have in the project so far. The goal is to do 50. Unfortunately, I could not come up with 10 more products to bring into this project. I don't buy that many products. So I have 4 more to bring in for this last month. And they should be easy. I'm going to set usage goals. My Tarte Shape Tape, there is purple on the package there, a nice little lavender. And this is a deluxe size sample of the Ultra Creamy. I'm going to bring it in for 5 uses. And then my next one is, since I'm blonde, my L'Oreal Ever Pure Sulfite-Free Color Care Purple Shampoo. And I am bringing this in, ooh, it's in hibiscus, that sounds nice. I'm bringing in to use it as much as I can use it, just for use. These are just random use, just to use to the end of the project. Next up, we have Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse in this little travel size. Also, bringing this in just to use it because I have it. And then finally, I just went out and bought an Urban Decay All-Nighter long-lasting setting spray. My first time ever using this product. I've heard so many reviews about it. I used it today. I seem to like it very nice. I am bringing this in to use until the end of the project. So those 4 products are just coming in for usage. You know what? Let's just say this, 5 uses, whatever. 5 uses to the end of the project. It doesn't really matter. There's only one more month left. So if I can finish things that are left in this project, not gonna happen. But I'm giving it my best shot, and then after next month we have a whole new color to work on, and I have to start planning for that because, yeah, I don't have anything picked out yet. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my panning content or more of my other content, which there's very little of, but most of it's panning, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.